Hey guys, GPEX Alarm 101 here, and here's a quick little look at System Test 17. Thought I'd do a preliminary test. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm using an annunciator to operate the control panel because I haven't finished the interface. Everything else about the control panel, though, is done. So I'll be using the annunciator to operate the system today. And for programming purposes, I have some buttons installed inside here. So, let's move on. I'm going to skip Zone 2 for right now and do Zone 3. You can see SIL, whatever, however you want to pronounce that, appears in the corner. I forgot to explain, I've got the LED exceeder up on the ceiling. I've got the EST pre-integrity, which seems to be flashing a little faster than it normally does. I've got an i3 here, we'll be testing that shortly. And also, I've got an RST451 KEY key switch. That's just being used as Zone 4 and as a remote reset. So I want to try out a different signal code, but I also want you guys to see the signal coding options, so if I can just get my finger on the buttons. This will take us into the configuration menu. Let's go to signal code. I'm going to change it to temporal for now, and then I'm going to reset the system. Alright, I'm going to put the cover back. Alright, let's get a screwdriver. Now, something interesting is I can program zone types with this panel. So, watch this. Look at that. It's in pre-signal. Now let's just quickly re-alarm the detector. Alarms are silenced, detector is still in alarm. If we reset the system though, detector shuts off, panel resets. Now, to test the key switch over there, I want to try a different coding option. Come on. No, I'm not going to do any of those. I gotta reset this again. Jeez. I didn't put an up button in here for some reason. My smart behind decided to do that. Why don't we go down to pulse? We'll do that one. And I gotta reset from the inside. Alright. And to test the key switch, just reset that. Why not? And I figure we'll save the worst for last in this case, and we'll do the typical Edwards pre-integrity coding option. And we'll do it with the fire drill button. As a side note, this is a horn strobe. I just disconnected the horn for this particular test. Just reset that. Now, I want to try a different coding option just because I'm being inventive. I didn't pull any of the pull stations, so I figure I'll pull one. As a side note, also, both of these pull stations I got for my birthday. If you saw the birthday video, you know exactly where I got them from. So, I want to do 90 beat per minute march time, because I like 90 beat per minute march time. Alright, and which one to pull? I'll do both. Why not? Do this one first, though. While that, oh no! Okay. So I made fun of New Age Server Alarm for doing that in my very first system test. Alright. Well, I'll do a little bit of explaining and then I'll shut the video down for the day. So, that's basically what you're going to see in System Test 17. Except for this is going to actually be finished. I've been working on quite a bit. I finally got the system operational though, and I'm very happy to do so. Let me take these headphones off. They're quite annoying. And actually, let me go ahead and set this back on silent test while I explain a few things to you. Uh-oh. I don't want walk test on. There are some features though, and you just heard me mention walk test. This panel does have a walk test feature. I'll be testing that in 17. System Test 17. Come on. But, there's a lot of new features about this panel that I didn't go over today. I just wanted to, because I haven't done a system test in a while, I figured it needed to be put out there. I'm hoping to have this system look a little bit nicer next time you see it, but, these two alarms will still be in the system test. Everything will be the same. It'll just be the panel is finished, and I'll be going over a lot of the details about what the panel is, how it works. The official name for it is the MapWorks 4001 A5. That is the official name for this panel so far. It'll probably go like A6, A7 in the future, but and this is the ANC model annunciator. You can see here. I believe it's ANC 2000W. Yes. W because the faceplate for it is going to be white. That annunciator won't be there forever though. I'm planning to turn that into a smaller panel. Anyway, besides that, the system also has one more feature that I'm going to demonstrate in another video, but it does have supervisory, and that's what that zone card was for in the previous test. All the zones are supervised now. But you'll just have to wait and see how exactly that works without the end of circuit module. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one.